Reviving something that already ended, wanting something to come back to life, judgment energy. So I do see someone here, you could be connecting here with someone who wants to revive something with you. Like might be it's a partnership, a love relationship. Maybe something here had ended already. Whenever that is, I do see that someone here really wants to, yeah, look at that. Really wants to have a new beginning here with you. Death card energy and judgment. Yeah, whoever this individual is, this person here wants reconciliation, wants to have this. I'm hearing emotional, so this person here could be wanting an emotional reunion here with you guys. This person here could be, um it's like giving me this type of message that this person here lacks enjoyment. Yeah, this person here lacks enjoyment in his or her life. Okay. I think without you, this person here lacks enjoyment. Not literally happy. Because this person here with this Wheel of Fortune energy, I think this universe right here wants to go back from the time that you are happy with each other, happy with each other's presence. Yeah, look at that. It did came back. One thing, this emotional reunion here with you guys. So let's see. Who is this person here? Whatever it is that he or she is about to tell you, might be a communication will happen here, but we'll see. Knight of Pentacles energy, this is coming here as pure uh as a pearl, and I'm picking up that this is 101% sincere apology. So whatever this person here is about to tell you, this person here, there's something here that he or she wants to sincerely tell you. Like this is coming from the bottom of his or her heart. Okay? So that's a sincere apology, emotional union. So let's see. Communication. Okay. No. So what I'm picking up right here, I do see you guys. You will be receiving here some kind of a communication. But whatever communication is this in the form of message, phone call, or whatever it is, I do see that this is coming here from someone who could be difficult for you to face personally. So maybe with the Three of Swords energy right here, this is someone here who broke your heart, who broke your trust in the past. But I do see you getting this communication, receiving this message right here coming from this person here. This might be a difficult thing for you to decide, but I do see you right here that you will be at the crossroad, whether you're gonna accept this invitation of wanting to ask you out, to talk things out, like whoever this individual is, this is someone here, okay, you could have a difficult time in the past. So there could a possible um traumatic experience that this person here gave you. That's the energy that I'm picking up. So let's keep moving. But for some reason, I do see that you once loved this person. Yeah. You once loved this person right here. So maybe there's already separation. Your relationship already ended right here long time ago to some of you. But this person's here bringing some kind of communication. This communication might happen nighttime or before the sun sets, or this is something here that might happen afternoon. Okay, so hi and hello there, new subscribers. By the way, my name is Yan. I'm from the Philippines and thank you so much for being here. Hi and hello there, returning subscribers. Thank you so much for the warm love and support you're giving me. So, we do not have any gender right here, and of course, this is timeless as well. So, just pick up only the messages you think are for you, and of course, just take only what resonates and apply this into your own unique situation. Okay, so with the presence of Eight of Wands energy, full card right here, someone here will definitely try to send you some kind of message, and this person here is actually feeling like he or she is at the edge of a cliff because of this initiating communication here with you. So this is someone here who is actually afraid of your judgment, but at the same time, he or she is still pursuing this communication or heart-to-heart communication to happen between you guys. So ever this individual is with the strong Six of Cups energy, I do see that this person here you once had a romantic history with. So whoever this individual is, this person here did broke your heart. There's a high potential that this person did something wrong with you in the past. But whoever this individual is, you once loved this person here. I do see that this person here is not hesitating to come forward to you right now, because what's important to him or her inside his or her thoughts right now is to talk things out with you, to explain his or her side with you. But I don't think that this person here will definitely um, try to persuade you to accept his or her offer. Yeah. This person only wants you to show up. This person only wants you to hear him out. That's more than enough for him or her. So, however this individual is, I do see that this person here is someone who is really trying to speak coming from his or her heart with the King of Cups energy he or she is embodying. This person right here feels like that he or she is an uncomfortable place right now because of this feeling of not having you inside his or her life or beside him or her. So I do see that this communication is definitely something here that he or she wants to start or to begin with. So I do see that this individual is will try to to explain to you whatever it is that happened before or in the past in your connection or in your relationship. This is someone here who is having this confidence right here with the Five of Swords energy to initiate this communication, to fight for this communication here, because he or she thinks that if he or she will not talk to you right now, he might possibly miss an opportunity here with you. So this person could be wanting here to rekindle or to reconcile here with you. This person is actually not telling me that he or she wants badly your forgiveness here, okay? Excuse me. But what I do see from this person is that it's almost the end of the world for him or her because you are not in his or her life anymore. So the only choice that he or she have right now is to make a bold move to talk to you or to reach out to you. So I'm seeing you right here receiving an emotional message coming from this person here, and it might happen here nighttime, afternoon, or when the sun is about to set, or at nighttime. So whatever the case may be, I do see you right here. You will be at the crossroads here. Whether you're gonna hear this person or not, whether you're gonna show up at a meeting place that this person here will definitely tell you. So you are actually still having here resentment, or this is you, you're just You just don't want to see this person here anymore either. So I do see that this person here is actually someone who did broke your heart in the past. And maybe you are just afraid to to repeat the same situation that you had with this person here if you allow yourself to talk to this person here or to entertain this person here once again. So when it comes to love, I do see that there's still little emotions or bit of emotions right here remaining for this person. But I do see that this is not something here that is enough for you to go back to what you used to have before. So I do see that your feelings here actually starts to fade. Actually, for others of you, you've already moved on when it comes to loving this person here. But I do see that you're still hurt for what this person here had done with you in the past. So I do see that whoever this individual is, this person here cannot take it any longer, hold it any longer, the feelings that he or she has for you. So whoever this individual is, high chance that this is your past lover here. This person is not hesitating anymore because before he or she is having this type of back and forth situation right here. He or she cannot really decide whether to talk to you or not, or whether to just let the situation be and not doing anything. But this person here thinks that he or she might miss this opportunity, not pursuing you, if he or she will definitely not make any movement from here. So with this hangman energy, I think this person here did came up with a strategy or with a plan right here to finally step his or her foot forward to talk to you and to reach out to you. This person is now ready to explain his or her side right here. And for some reason, I do see that there are some of you will end up showing at uh at the meeting place, or you will end up hearing this person's explanation. But when it comes to reconciling or rekindling the connection back to life, I don't think that you are available for that, because others of you, you could be already moving on from this person. Others could had already moved on. And for others of you, you could be already seeing someone else right here. Someone here already got your attention when it comes to your heart or your heart space right here. So I do see that this individual here is actually hurt that he or she is someone here who is the one who did hurt you in the past. So I do think that this person here regrets what he or she had done with you. So I do see that this individual here could be younger than you, or you could be older with this person here if there could possibly age gap. But in the tarot, we do not have any gender and we do not have any age. So just take how this resonates. But this person here will definitely try to win you back, but will not um will not come to a point that he or she will definitely try to force you to go back to him or her. So whatever decision you have, I think this person here will respect that. Whatever it is that you are trying to say or you are wanting to tell to him, even though you still have grudge or you're still angry with whatever it is that he or she had done with you in the past, this person's willing to take all of that. Yeah. Even though this person here is afraid of your judgment, he or she knows that he or she is the one to blame and at fault in this type of situation here involving you guys. So I do see that this person here really wants to do something about this. I think this person here is also someone who could possibly buy you some kind of gifts. Might be, a peace offering. Okay. But I do see that it's not something here like a bribe, or it's not something here that this person here is telling you to accept this apology for him or her to be able to give you that present. No, it's not. I do see that that love offer is just a bonus. It's like an appreciation that you showed up um to talk to him or her, or you showed up to communicate to him or her. It's like an appreciation gift or present. So I do see that this person here still has feelings and um emotions for you. He or she is still someone here who can't get over you. So I do see that this is you. You're really trying to hold back the pain, because I'm seeing you right here that whenever you see this person's face, you remember the past, the traumatic past that you had with this person. So it's like you're telling me that it's unhealthy for you to see this person anymore because this person did hurt you in the past. It's like whenever you see this person's face, you just can't help but to remember or reminisce here the past, especially um those painful experiences that you had with this situation here with your past lover. So I do see that this person here is actually someone who knows that fully or completely, but still making this movement right here because he or she wants to take every chance that he or she has in order for this connection to come back to life. But then again, this person will not try to force you to accept this offer, or this offer of love right here. But I do see that this person here is actually trying to express his or her emotions coming from his or her heart. Yeah. This person is now taking this lead to move forward with your situation here. But this person here will not try to force anything to you. So I think this person here is actually maturing, or this person here is someone here who could be, um, receiving some kind of awakening realizations, okay, that force him or her to be or to act this way. So I do see that there is an upcoming communication coming from your ex person here, but it's up for you to decide whether you're gonna show up or not, or you're gonna talk to him or not. It's 101% up to you. But there's no hesitation. This person will definitely send you some kind of invitation, asking you out and wanting to have a heart to heart conversation with you. So just the two of you. So yeah. So these are all the messages we've got right here coming from your past lover. Thank you so much for your time spent here, sweethearts, and love and light.